I riro whenua atu, me hoki whenua mai. I tēnei wā, ko whakamanahia te pā o Huriawa, hei tohu whenua.
Huriawa, we believe, means the river turned around. At some point, the Waikato River must have gone straight through and through at the narrowest point, but there must have been some sort of natural event which caused the river to turn round and go out on the eastern side of the peninsula. It has strong visibility, strong presence in the village. It was one of those places which has always held a strong presence.
Whakaeke mai rā a te papaatawhai, pouhere taonga, me te manatu taonga ki runga i te marae o Puketeraki. Mā ēnei rōpū e whakarite ko wai ka whakawhiwhia i ngā tohu whenua, huri noa i te motu.
It's a place of significance, remembering that it was actually listed in 2011 as a wāhi tapu area, so it already had that status, I guess, in the eyes of the Rārangi Kōrero, or the list that is under the Heritage New Zealand Act. But importantly, it was about bringing the story to a much wider audience. And that only happens in Tohu Whenua, really, when the community are wanting that as well.
Prior to the settlement, it was managed by the Department of Conservation, and before that, the Borough Council, and we didn't have much of a say in how it was managed. And on the passing of our Settlement Act, we created a platform for a close working relationship with Te Pāpātawhai in the management of that site.
E ai ki ngā kōrero, te kaumārua o ngā tohu whenua, huri noa i te rohe Ōtākou. Ā, ko huri awa te wāhi Māori tuatahi, ka whakawhiwhia i te tohu whenua ki te rohe nei. Ko tāmata Pure Alison, he motu haki te wāhi nei ki te mana whenua.
Well, it's another overlay, reinforcing our stories and providing opportunity for our stories to be told and understood and appreciated by the wider community. We've benefited to the effect of our kaitiakitanga through planting on the site, for returning the korowai to parts of Huriawa, but also for erosion control where we can, and just generally warming the site. So it's a tohu ahika for us.
E mana ko ana a Alison, ka hua mai ngā tohu whenua, huri noa i tōna pā.
It would be good to have more tohu whenua gazetted. I think it would just add to the richness of and the presence of kaitau, mamoi, waitahoki, our stories across the landscape. There are many goldfield tohu whenua, for example. It would be great to get a bit more balance in there as well.
Hei ngā marama e heke mai ana, ka whāwhaki mai he tohu whenua ki roto i te rohe o Waitaha. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tohu News.
Ko te reo, te take.